Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is a protective style maintenance wash day type of video. I just came from the park. I'm sweaty. I haven't washed my face or my body, and I figured since I'm washing my hair right now, I might as well record it, give you guys a little updated routine. Everything I'm using today I've used before because that's the kind of time I'm on. I have my lineup right here on the counter. If you follow me on other apps like TikTok or Instagram, which you should be doing at KandidKinks, you know that I was in Jamaica for 3 weeks last month, and I was doing everything. I was hiking, swimming in the ocean and pools, sweating every day, just living my best life. And I was washing my hair in this style really frequently, so it's not terribly dirty, but it's dirty. Like, we need to do something with it, and I have not really conditioned it or give it like a really good treatment. So let's just dive right in. No need for any more long talking. So first, I'm gonna shampoo with the Melanin Hair Care shampoo. I've used this before. I have a video on it on this channel. If you search Melanin Hair Care KandidKinks, it's gonna come up. Then I'm gonna go in with this My Black is Beautiful Blue Ginger conditioner. I'm just going to apply it like you would conditioner, the length of my hair. Let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes, rinse it out, nothing too crazy. And then I'm gonna go in with this Briogeo Scalp Revival Mask. I have used this before, not on this channel, but on my Instagram and TikTok. It is great. It has charcoal and tea tree, and I just really like it. I think if you have dry scalp or itchy scalp or just a really active lifestyle like myself, this could be a nice addition to your wash day routine. And then we just have 2 products for the leave-in process. So Melanin Hair Care is getting a lot of shine today, but their products work. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of this leave-in. It just really works, and it's like light, so it won't take forever to dry and it won't be too heavy on my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. I've also used this quite a bit. I've given this to my mom and she's used it up. I had to give her another one. Like, we love it. So I guess I'm not gonna talk anymore. Even though I miss y'all, I'm gonna just go in the shower, wash my hair, and record it. But I wanted to say what's up, say what's good, say hi, you know what I'm saying, give you guys a little intro or whatever. If you have any video requests, leave them down below, please and thank you. I've been playing in makeup a lot on my other platforms, and I just have been having fun with it, and I kind of want to bring it back to my channel because I'm posting everywhere but here because my hair is up. But yeah, so video requests, product review requests. Obviously my hair is in the style, but it won't be for that much longer. So I have a Bread Beauty review coming up. I have a few other things that I want to review for my hair, but before we get there, let me know what you want to see in terms of makeup. I have a really bomb summer makeup routine. I'm gonna share that, and I want to try some new stuff on here with y'all. And just, yeah, I'm continually out of breath. Let's turn the water on, get in the shower, and get to washing our hair. And the wash day vibes, if you haven't heard this project, now is the time. All right, so I'm gonna let the towel soak up the extra water from the braids because y'all know braids be dripping for like another 2 hours after you wash them. All right, so now we're gonna do the melanin leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to, that's more than enough. Squeeze this and pat it all over my hair. Can't forget the back. And the melanin leave-in has like some tingles going on. So like between the mask and the shampoo and the leave-in, my scalp is just feeling so tingly. Let me give you guys a close-up of the scalp because, oh child, it feels so good. I forgot to give you guys a before, but it wasn't really even like dandruff or anything like that. It was just dirty, oily mainly. So the scalp probably doesn't even look that different, but it feels a million times different. Time for the scalp treatment. Oh, it feels so good. You guys, I can't even tell you how good this feels. I don't know how people don't wash their protective styles because when I tell you I'm always washing my protective style, I find it's actually easier to wash this than my actual hair. And then just massage it in. Make sure we get everywhere. So that's the end of the video. I'm not gonna put any oil because I don't feel like I need any. I think the leave-in is good enough. And I'm just gonna let this towel soak up the excess water out of the plaits. And that's it. Thank you guys for clicking and watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up on your way out. And if you're new here, please subscribe because it really helps. And I'll feel encouraged to post, you know. That was like a guilty way of saying that, I'm sorry. We just hit 64,000 subscribers and I'm so grateful because it's hard to keep up with everything. But I'm like, thank you. Hello, if you're new, like really thank you. And if you're not new, thank you for real because you're still rocking with me and I'm inconsistent. So thanks for that as well. Let me end this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.